In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clustered stacked column chart in Excel. A clustered stacked column chart is really useful when you want to compare categories side by side, while also showing how each category is broken down into parts. Think of it as a combination of a clustered column chart and a stacked column chart. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to turn a simple data table into a clear, professional-looking visual that's great for reports, presentations, or dashboards. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is laid out in a clear table. You'll typically want your categories listed down the left-hand side, and your different series or subcategories across the top as column headers. Each cell in the middle should contain the values you want to visualize. Take a moment to check that there are no blank rows or columns breaking the table, because that can confuse Excel when you create the chart. Once your data is ready, click and drag to highlight the entire data range, including the headers. With the range selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Chart section, look for the column or bar chart icon. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose the Stacked Column Chart option to start with. Excel will insert a basic stacked column chart onto your sheet. At this point, you'll have stacked columns, but not yet the clustered effect. To get that, you need to adjust how Excel is grouping your series. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Select Data. In the window that appears, you'll see a list of series and category labels. Make sure that your categories are set correctly on the horizontal axis, and that your series are listed as you expect. If necessary, use the Switch Row Column button to flip the layout until you see separate stacks for each category. Next, customize the chart so it's easy to read. Click the Chart Elements button near the top right of the chart and turn on axis titles, a legend, and data labels if you need them. Then, click on one of the stacked segments to format the colors and add visual separation between different groups. You can also adjust the gap width in the Format Data Series pane to make the clusters closer or farther apart. Finally, give your chart a clear descriptive title, resize it if needed, and align it neatly on the sheet. Once you're happy with the layout and colors, your clustered stacked column chart is ready to use and share.